Hi guys, hi people, here, oh shit, sorry, here's the Hacked Gamers for a second or third video. It's been a long time that I just restart this recording, because that works and don't wait, because I really don't know why. So today we are playing Unturned. It's like a kind of Minecraft and zombies, but okay, I can't jump, fuck. But I know there's zombie, sorry, after me. Oh fuck. Oh fuck me. Is there... Oh, there is a real big huge shotgun in there. Fuck. There he is. Oh yes. Do I have some ammo? Shit dude, that's amazing. Fuck, I don't have any ammo anymore. Shit man, this game is awesome. Oh, what is this? What did you say I took? What is this? Okay, I'll try to beat him with my... Sorry, I think you hear my mouse. I just tried to kill this motherfucker. Oh! Eh? You think you would kill me, eh? You think you would kill me, eh? You sucker fucker? Huh? You think because you're Minecraft zombie you can kill me, huh? Shit, man. Graphics aren't really developed, but gameplay that is really nice. Okay, so I have 100% energy, so it takes 10% energy when I want to jump. Okay, oh shit, it regains really fast. Okay, so I don't know what I just planted, but I planted something at least. Okay, so let's go there. Okay, carrot seed. Okay, I think I understand. So here is some seed for plants, food. It's like a survival game. It's a kind of the forest, but in like more modern, like I don't know what to say, but I just want to find some ammo. Oh my god, oh, what is this? Civilian bullets. Okay, so I don't know what it's... But wait. Box of civilian grade of mission. Okay, fuck that, I'll take it. I'll take my finger as arm. As weapon, sorry. Oh, some arrow. Some arrow, sorry. Okay, so I have some ammo. I'm just trying to find the weapon who shoots the ammo. Fuck. I think this zombie is coming. Can I equip? Oh what? That's awesome. Okay, so fuck me. Seriously, there's nothing that I can just take. Okay, so I can run, but I have energy. Gas can. Wooden spike traps. So wooden spike trap I'll equip. And I'll... Oh, sorry, it's my cat. Can you shut up? Okay, wait, I come back because he's really dumb and he don't know how to come back. I come back. Wait. Okay, sorry, he's just really dumb. I just approached myself from him and he start to... Okay, oh, I know. This, I don't give a damn shit. I will drop them. This I'll keep it because I know... Oh, graphics. Graphics. Smoothing the zip. Okay, so... Shut up, man. Shut up. Hey! What I said you... Okay, wait. Go fuck away. Really, he's annoying. You go in my bedroom and you don't stop doing... Okay. I'll just... Do I have some ammo? I don't have some ammo. Enter research more, but I know the zombies are coming. These zombies are coming. Oh fuck, there's a knight. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. You're really serious? Oh fuck. There's a knight in this game. Oh shit, so... Fuck me. I don't know what to do. Really, I really don't know what to do, except to just get away. Okay. Okay, you know what? Is there something else that I can... No, there's nothing in this. Yeah, this is my Kira things. But I don't give a damn. I think that there is nothing right there. Okay, sorry. So let's go continue. So, oh, there is an antenna. Let's go right there. Probably it's the zombie base, or it's some friends. I don't know. I think it's a military base, but I don't know. No, it's the first time I played this game. Oh, it's just an antenna. Okay. So I just try to go there without alarm them. Because if I do, they will always run at me. And I don't have a fucking weapon. So if they start running at me, I'm literally in deep shit. And I don't have energy to run. So... Oh fuck, I think someone saw me. Oh. Hello, darling. Oh fuck. Okay, I think I can use the car. Yes, I can. Get the fuck away, okay. I have to... The gas. Fuck me. didn't. Now that I have the energy. Let's go, I have to find something. Oh, you're really serious? Oh! Go, 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 go. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yes. Bitch, I am really good, pals. Not really, honestly. Oh, no. Okay, I respond. So let's go with this place. I just really hope there's no zombies. And I just really hope it isn't a prank from the creators. What? I saw some people in the trailer who was taking some threes. Okay, so I don't see shit. Shit. What oh fuck, I have nothing in my inventory. I just have this. My finger, me, and myself. Oh, there's some Icelands. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Honestly. You see, my energy is regaining. Okay. Okay, finally. So I'll try to go just there. I'd probably do some real shit on the map. But anyway. Fuck me, there is nothing. Why, it's just some little things over there. Do I die if I go in the water? Oh, that is awesome. And it doesn't take some energy. And it's pretty more fast. I think. Or it's the same. What the fuck? You see these three little lines between my hands? I don't know what the fuck is this shit. It just scared me. I'm just fucking new. That's what I am. Okay, let's go, please. Just forward. Okay, so we arrive. Doesn't seem to have zombies for now. But I really think that there's some zombies just right there. And right there. And all the way there. Oh, fuck me. Oh, fuck. Oof. Oh. I hope I have some fuel. Shit, not winning this one. Oh, yes. Oh, that's awesome. Really? What the fuck? What? Oh shit. Get the fuck away from here. I should probably go kill him. Yeah, I go kill him. Okay. One. I have 7% of fuel remaining. Fuck. Shit. No, fuck. Okay. Oof. Okay, now. Fuck. Is there so much ammo? Oh, fuck me. This was sure. Okay, people, so sorry, really sorry, but honestly, I find this game really nice. I'll do more videos about it. I really think it should be done. So share if you like, give a like if you enjoy it, share if you like, and I really hope fun. Wow, 7 zombies killed. Thanks again for watching my video, and see you first about the game, and I will try to do a video about more games. But for the moment, which I'll almost school, I do the game. Really think you watch my video. Just subscribe, like, and share, and leave a comment. I will solve this, and I will certainly answer it. I'll do my best too. Good night, people. Day will enter. See you next video. Ciao.